In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gridlines in Wix to align your design. If you're looking to elevate your website design by achieving clean, professional lines and ensuring that everything is perfectly aligned, then Gridlines are an indispensable tool. They help you draw your elements with precision, keeping the layout consistent throughout your site. Let's start by logging into your Wix account and opening your website's editor. Once you're in, you'll notice the editor interface with your web page in the center. This is your canvas, where the magic happens. Now, Gridlines may not be visible by default, so our first step is to turn those on. Head over to the top menu bar, and from there, click on the View option. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll see an option for Gridlines. Simply click it, and voila! Your Gridlines will appear over your web page. Gridlines are going to help you a lot, especially when you're working with several elements that need to be aligned. The vertical and horizontal gridlines provide a reference point so you can see exactly where to place your images, text boxes, and other elements with precision. Now, let's discuss how to use these gridlines for snapping. Snapping is a feature that helps you align elements to the gridlines automatically. When you move an object, you'll notice it'll snap right to the grid. This ensures that your elements are perfectly aligned and helps you maintain spatial consistency across your design. To make sure your snapping is enabled, go back to the View menu. In the drop-down, look for the Snap to Objects option. Make sure that this is checked. This will allow any element you're moving or resizing to latch onto the nearest gridline or object edge with ease, giving your web page a clean and professional look. If you're working on a full width section or want to ensure your content stays within the web-safe area, the gridlines will outline this area for you. This is particularly useful for ensuring that your design looks great across different screens and devices. As you're placing and adjusting elements, keep an eye on the gridlines as they serve as strong guides to maintaining harmony in your layout. You might also want to zoom in for precision, which can be done using the zoom tool on the bottom right of the page. By leveraging these gridlines, you're setting yourself up for a more structured and visually appealing website, which enhances user experience significantly. Taking the time to align your elements properly ensures that your pages aren't only aesthetically pleasing but also accessible and professional. That's it for today's tutorial. You now have the tools to use gridlines effectively in Wix. Happy designing, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to help you build your website beautifully. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.